First, let me congratulate you for being part of this 4 days breakthrough journey with me. So here's what to expect. Today, if you are watching video number 1, we will talk about shiny object syndrome. How to get focused on the things that you need to get done for you to avoid all the noise and chaos around you and be productive in attaining your goal to generate passive income online. And on day number 2, we will talk about your passive income blueprint. This will be your baby steps to break through so you will stop throwing yourself from idea to idea without attaining your goals because too much distraction means you are never really getting anything accomplished. This means is no money deposited into your bank account. And on day number 3, it's all about strength spotting. So this is your quick start to help you earn more faster because if you really want to have different streams of passive income online, then on day number 3, we will look deeper into what you have now and use it and get paid what you are worth. And on day number 4, it's about moving forward. We will map out all your entire breakthrough journey and start creating your own breakthrough project that will help you get focused and have your daily activities, things to do, and get work done. So at the end of this 4 days journey with me, you will be ready to spread out your wings, okay? So you can fly alone without me and have a clear direction on how to fulfill your own desire to generate passive income online. This is a life skill that no one can take away from you for money to become the byproduct of what you love doing. So inside this journey, you will be receiving my skills development worksheet that you can download instantly. So just make sure that you have an Adobe Reader installed on your computer. So today I will share with you what causes shiny object syndrome, the negative impact of shiny object syndrome to your life, and the best formula on how to get focused to break through and make passive income. So are you ready and excited? So first is what causes shiny object syndrome. So the number one cause of shiny object syndrome is desperation. I mean the desperation to make money without being rational or logical. So here's the thing. There's a lot of noise going on the internet about how to make passive income or anything about making money online, right? So listen, there is no such thing as easy money. If you want to generate a consistent passive income, then you need to plan and build it with purpose. Because if you do not know and you do not have any clear purpose why you want to do it, why you want to break through, then this is just another dream that will never come to fruition. And this is also why you can easily get distracted by all the noise and chaos around you. So understand that there are obstacles and even failures behind every successful people. So it doesn't mean that even if you have millions of followers on Instagram or Facebook, or if you are using ClickFunnels by Russell Brunson, if you cannot convert a total stranger into money, then it's very hard to sustain any business, even to stay afloat in day-to-day living expenses. Because the bottom line here of every business owner is to have consistent and predictable revenue, predictable income that's coming in every single month. So I hope this makes sense, okay? And when you start this breakthrough journey, our objective here is for you to create your own breakthrough step by step. Baby steps, all right? And we do not want to pursue new goals and leaving the current ones pending. And I want to make it clear here that if you are looking for a quick rich program, I'm sorry that this is not the right place for you. So just let me know if this is not for you so I can remove you from my mailing list. Okay? So passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash online. I am not special to anyone. Anything that I will do and share with you here in this journey is you can learn it and apply it. So in 2016, This is when I started to make passive income, where I sell digital products through ClickBank. Passive income means any income that requires minimal work to earn and maintain. So these are passive income that you can generate from ClickBank as a product vendor. So this is how you can make money while you are sleeping. You just need to put work in the beginning, and with the COVID-19 pandemic, this is good evidence to value different streams of passive income. And here's my PayPal account. These payments received are all passive income from the business tools that I am using. Like for example, from my email service provider and tracking tools. The beauty of this, even if you are no longer promoting it in the long run, like this one from ClickMagic, I am no longer using this tool for almost, I think, 8 to 10 years now. But still, it continues to generate money for me. So you can see here, just this month, I receive and generate this amount of money from ClickMagic, even though I'm not using and promoting this anymore. So I know it may seem daunting to build a passive income stream. The key is just to start. Like for example, this year, I decided to create passive income from Etsy. So when you add up all these amounts, passive income can translate to lifelong success. And eventually, you will gain enough momentum where your passive income will start paying for significant expenses such as food, rental, or even big purchases, or even traveling. So I know how to create and implement business system because I have extensive experience in business startups over the last 25 years. So making passive income is doable, provided that you know how to set up your business framework the right way, okay, from the very start to save time, energy, and money. And the beauty of having your own online business, this is a million times cheaper and less stressful than having a brick and mortar business. I know exactly the feeling of running a multi-million dollars mainstream business since I used to be part of the business startup from scratch for 16 years in Vietnam and in Thailand. And I also experienced to have a storefront selling an actual product in the malls, paying a monthly rentals and paying this marketer who is standing there in the store from 10 in the morning up to 10 in the evening. And most of the days, I don't get any sale at all. So imagine having a fixed expense, paying your monthly space in the department store, and paying your overhead. So here, in doing your online business, this is a million times cheaper. People go to Google to search for anything. What I'm pointing out here is you must have a storefront online. So this is my Biz Breakthroughs website. This is one of my websites. So I must have this website. So when people are looking for my keyword for the product that I am offering, which is Breakthrough Guide to Design Your Future, then I will direct my traffic to this website. So now, do I need to invest for this business like I'm paying in the mall space or paying my overhead? No. I invested here for my domain name as well as all the tools that I need to structure my sales funnel the right way. So this is how you can earn money 24/7. This is how you can earn money even when you're sleeping or go for vacation. So the negative impact of shiny object syndrome to your life is your time. Remember that time is the most precious thing in this world because we cannot bring back our lost time and we cannot even buy more time. So that is why we do not want to have dozens of unfinished projects because of all the noise and chaos around you. So we want to be productive and be able to achieve our goals faster. So take an honest look at the work you've done over the last maybe 6 to 12 months. Do you see ideas that you abandoned? Do you see a lot of projects that you never actually followed through on? So how many goals have you neglected? Shiny object syndrome is more destructive when it's snatching your attention from something that's more important not only to your life, but also to your family. So on this 4 days journey with me, I want you to put your blinders. You know the horse blinder? I want you to put that on, okay? For you to become more focused on the works that you need to get done to be productive. So the best formula on how to get focused, to break through and make passive income is first, write this down, is know your purpose. Why you want to break through in the first place. Where are you going to use this money for? So I want you to download your day number 1 breakthrough skill development worksheet and take the time to fill this out. This will help you have a clear direction and improve your current situation right now in attaining your goals to break through. You see this one, fill and sign. So just click this one, and if let's say you want to put check, add check mark, you can just click this add check mark and you can just click this one. Okay? And let's say if you want to answer this one, just click this add text and put your cursor here. Let's say it's $10,000. This is how you can fill your worksheet, okay? Using Adobe Reader. You must be super clear on what and where you are going next. So make sure that you bookmark my email not to miss anything. And watch your email inbox from me for our next lesson. So this will be the passive income blueprint. This will be your baby steps to breakthrough. Jankova here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.